Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the door panel on a 2019 Honda Odyssey. Start out by taking a small flathead and you're going to pry down on this little tab that's behind the interior door handle. Pry down on it and then pull out, and this cover will pop right out, and behind there is two Phillips screws that need to come out. Next, we need to remove this cap that's beside the window control unit and take that same small flathead again, and there's a little notch on the end of the cover. Just pry up on it, and there's another Phillips screw. And then take both hands and place them behind the panel. There's a little edge right here that sticks out. You can get your fingers behind there. It's right next to the speaker, and pull out. And that'll break most of it free. You might still have another clip right in here that's still in. Just put your fingers in behind here and pop it out. And then all along the top here, you just got pulled straight out and it'll pop right off. And once you have the door hanging here just by the wires and the door handle, if the door handle doesn't pop out already, just reach around behind it and just pull out on it, and that'll come right out. And then in behind here is two wire plugs that need to be undone, and you can unplug those by just pushing on the tabs on the top and pulling out. There we go. That tab right there. Just push in on it and pull it out. That's it, guys. Door panel's off. Thanks for watching.